Hey guys, it's Nick. I want to test out these two different cameras. One is the Sony FDR-X3000 on the right, and on the left is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I want to see if I could use my smartphone as kind of a substitution for the Sony camera. So right now the sun is right in my face, and these cameras are both about 1.5 feet from my face. So let's see how that looks, and then let's see with the sun away from me. So now the sun is behind me, and so is my face really dark or what? And now I'm going to walk with it to see how the stabilization is on these two cameras when I walk at a pretty fast pace. So let's see how that looks, and I'm going to change microphones. First, I'm going to start with this Boya microphone and plug it into the Sony as I walk, and then on the way back, I'm going to plug in the Samsung Galaxy 9 microphone in and see how that sounds. Okay, so let's walk with this. I'm walking in the grass, so it should be a little bumpy, and I got the microphone external lavalier Boya mic plugged into the Sony right now. So let's see how that sounds, and then I'm going to walk back and plug the Boya mic into the Samsung and see how that sounds. And how shaky is this? This is on the grass, and this is on the sidewalk. Alright. So now I plugged in the lavalier mic into the Samsung, and I'm just using the external mic on the Sony. And now I'm going to walk back on the sidewalk for a bit. And there's a little bit of a breeze right now, so I don't know if it's catching the wind on the microphone. And now on the grass where it's a little more bumpier, how's the stabilization looking on both of these? And that's with directly at the sun, and this is away from the sun with the sun behind me. So I'll be curious to see if I can replace my Samsung or my Sony with my Samsung in terms of a good video picture and good stabilization in different sunlight settings. And so now this is both cameras about maybe 2.5 feet from my face. How's that looking? I got the sun kind of blocked out with the trees a little bit. Now I got the sun right in my face, and the cameras are about 2.5 feet from my face. So how does that look? So I hope this little test gives you a clearer picture or a better idea if you can replace one of these action cams like the Sony FDR-X3000 or a GoPro with just your regular kind of few generation old smartphone that I have, Samsung S9 Plus. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if it is a good substitution or if the smartphone doesn't really match up and you really need to stick with these little action cams like the Sony or the GoPro. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.